I'm so mad right now. Maldita sea. Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn an interjection, a Spanish interjection. You usually use this interjection when you're really pissed, when you're mad, when you have a problem or a really bad situation. The Spanish interjection is Maldita sea. Maldita sea. You gotta be careful when you use this interjection because, as I said before, it is used when you're really mad. If you hear someone saying Maldita sea, that's because the person is really angry. Sometimes it can be used in a sarcastic way or in a funny way. So it all depends on the situation. Maldita sea means damn it. You can use Maldita sea by itself as well. Maldita sea. Damn it. Let's see a few examples using this interjection. Maldita sea, se me perdió mi celular. Maldita sea, se me perdió mi celular. Hoy me despidieron del trabajo. Maldita sea. Hoy me despidieron del trabajo. Maldita sea. No encuentro mis llaves. Maldita sea. No encuentro mis llaves. Maldita sea. Maldita sea. Me dejaron plantada. Maldita sea. Me dejaron plantada. Se me olvidó mi computadora. Maldita sea. Se me olvidó mi computadora. Maldita sea. Okay, that was the word, rather, interjection of the day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, leave me more examples down below using Maldita sea. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by keeping the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!